Welcome back to Auto Octane. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, the 2025 Honda S2000. After years of speculation and rumors, Honda has finally brought back the legendary Roadster, and it's everything enthusiasts have been hoping for. The original S2000 was an icon, lightweight, high-revving, and perfectly balanced. So, how does the 2025 model stack up? Well, Honda has stayed true to the formula while incorporating modern performance and technology. Under the hood, the new S2000 packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, derived from the Civic Type R, but tuned specifically for this rear-wheel drive platform. Expect around 330 horsepower, giving it a serious edge over its predecessor. And yes, for all the purists out there, Honda has kept the 6-speed manual transmission alive. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a limited slip differential, ensuring that sharp, engaging driving experience that made the original S2000 so beloved. But for those who prefer an automatic, a lightning-fast dual-clutch option is also available. In terms of design, Honda has nailed the balance between nostalgia and modern styling. The long hood, short rear deck, and low-slung stance are all reminiscent of the original, but with sleek LED lighting, aggressive air intakes, and lightweight materials like carbon fiber to keep the weight down. The chassis is stiffer than ever, thanks to Honda's latest engineering advancements, meaning this S2000 is not just quick but razor-sharp in the corners. Inside, the cockpit is driver-focused with a digital instrument cluster, a minimalist center console, and sport bucket seats that hug you through every turn. Honda has also integrated modern tech, including a touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium audio system, because let's face it, not everyone wants to hear just the engine all the time. On the road, the 2025 S2000 delivers exactly what you'd expect, a pure, exhilarating driving experience. The turbo engine provides instant response, the steering is razor-sharp, and the suspension keeps the car planted without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're attacking corners or cruising with the top down, this car delivers thrills in every gear. The big question: how much does it cost? Honda has positioned the new S2000 competitively, with a starting price around $55,000. That puts it right in line with rivals like the Toyota GR Supra and the Nissan Z, but with a unique blend of Honda reliability, performance, and open-top driving fun. So, is the 2025 Honda S2000 the rebirth of a legend? From what we've seen, absolutely. It stays true to its roots while embracing modern technology and performance, making it one of the most exciting cars of the year. What do you think? Is the new S2000 everything you hoped for, or were you expecting something different? Let us know in the comments. And if you love high-octane automotive content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching Auto Octane, and we'll see you in the next one.